The ways to learn English these days is 10 times better than it used to be. But that's the least impressive part of the whole thing. The most impressive part is how to have a beautiful accent. It will blow your mind. Many people I know and I meet ask me, please, I want to learn English. And the thing is, they already know English. They're not confident enough to speak and admit it, but they do. Many people already know English, but they feel like there's something missing, and it has to do with the accent. And in this video, I'm going to try to show you, it's very easy steps how to have a better accent in English. I believe you have to get out of your comfort zone to be comfortable. You have to be uncomfortable in English first before you become comfortable speaking in English. And that takes practice. And what you have to do is ask one of your friends that knows English. Say, let's just speak English. It's not being rude, it's practicing. I want to practice my English and I want to learn to speak quickly and easily. And you won't believe how quickly and easily you will begin to speak. But you must practice. That's the most important thing. The second thing is you can't be shy. Don't be shy. English is one of the easiest language that you could ever learn. It has no feminine, no masculine. It's just a man, a book, a bulb, a bird, a tree. Everything is just singular. So, in order to speak good English, it's not as hard as you're trying to make it. It's a lot easier than you think. You just practice. Just practice with your friends. When you're alone, speak to yourself. Try to think in English. When you're thinking something in a different language, think it in English. And before long, you'll be speaking just as good as anybody else. There are 5 letters in the alphabet. They're called vowels. I'm sure you heard of them. And for those of you who haven't, it's A, E, I, O, U. Write them down. A, E, I, O, U. That's the long sound. Now, today we're going to talk about the short sound. A, ah, ah. Say it. Write it down. Write it in your own language. Right, ah. Open your mouth. Don't be shy. Say ah, ah. E is ah, ah, ah. Write that down. Say it. Ah. I is I. Write it down. I. O is ah. Ah. Write it down. Say it. Ah. And U is write it down and say it. Write it down and say these. Practice these sounds, and you're a step closer to speaking perfect American English. Ah, apple. Apple, axe, ant. I have a ticket. Not I have a ticket. No, I have. Ah. Make sure you open I have a ticket. I have a car. I have a beautiful dog. Have. Whenever you're using the short sound A, make it ah. That's the first one. I have. My aunt went to the market. I can't go to the movies today. Can't. Remember this. The next one is Everything is good. Everything is good. And elephant is huge. I need a cold beverage. Beverage. Give me some extra packs of chips. Extra. Give me some extra packs of chips. Extra. That envelope, envelope is for me. Envelope, eh. The Indian is laughing. This is my house. Did you see that video? Did. The bird hid in his nest. The next one is the ostrich is so tall and huge. Ostrich. October. October is 2, 3, 4 months away. October. Oxford. If you learn good English, you might be able to go to Oxford University. The ox is eating grass. Ox. Opportunity. I have an opportunity to go to Casablanca. The next one is you. I need to go get my umbrella because it's raining. Upset. I am upset because I can't find my cat. I found my cat under the car. My friend is wearing an Umbro shirt. Practice these 5 letters. Practice one at a time. They're not very hard, and I guarantee you will be speaking beautiful English. Put 2 and 2 together and 3 and 4 together, and you will be hopefully speaking with a beautiful accent, as you should. And if you like this sort of content, please make a comment or like or subscribe, and I will do more of these. Thanks for your audience. Well, I'm not going to go through all that. I hope this was helpful to you, and take care, and we'll see you next time.